Two-factor authentication for VeriDoc Sign Account. Visit www.veridocsign.com. Click on the user icon. Enter your registered email and password to log in. Now click on the Login button. VeriDoc Sign protects your account with two-factor authentication process. Go to your inbox and open the OTP email. Copy the OTP from verification mail. Enter or paste the OTP and click Submit. You have successfully logged in and can access the dashboard. Document verification using globally patented technology. Thank you for watching.